To make a Wix website private, you need to follow a series of steps that will restrict public access to your site. First, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to make private. In the Wix editor, click on the settings icon and then select Site Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Site Settings panel, click on the Privacy tab. Here you will find the Site Visibility section, where you can choose who can view your site. Select the Only People I Invite option to make your site private. You can then add specific email addresses of people you want to invite to view your site. These individuals will receive an email with a link to view your private site. Another option is to set a site password, which will prompt visitors to enter a password before accessing your site. You can also use Wix's built-in membership feature to create a members-only area on your site. This feature allows you to create a login system for your site and restrict access to certain pages or content. To do this, go to the Wix App Market and install the Wix Members app. Then, set up the membership system by creating a new member role and assigning permissions to that role. Finally, apply the membership settings to the pages or content you want to restrict access to. By following these steps, you can effectively make your Wix website private and control who can view your site and its content. Remember to always test your site's privacy settings to ensure they are working as intended.